Hey everybody, it's game time. I opened 7 hobby boxes of 2018 USA Baseball Stars and Stripes, and since I have opened so many of those on the channel already and actually have more videos of me opening that to post, I decided I'm just gonna skip all the opening part and just show you the hits. I just thought it'd be a little bit more practical this time around since I have opened so much of it, and I'll just show you the goodies. I don't think I've got these in any order, but here's a little stack of on-card autos numbered to $4.99. Weathers, Tyler Frank, Braden Schumacher, Tim Cate, Delatry, Ryan Weathers, Cole Wilcox, Nick Meyer, John Olson, and Saani. This is a little Diego Prieto. This is a 14U autograph, so a young kid. This is numbered out of 23. It is a sticker auto, but super short print. Will Banfield to $4.99. Here's a nice Kumar Rocker on-card autograph. So that was a nice little pull there, as was this. Andrew Vaughn. Let's see, this Seth Beer, this is the black gold to $89. That one I liked. Kyle Wright, Bryce Terang, not bad. Ooh. Alec Thomas, Kalenic black gold, this was $2.99. Nice little hit there. Hankins black gold, Gilliam, Zachary Martinez black gold. I've pulled this card just about every box I've opened, it seems like. Here's a good one, a Nolan Gorman red ink. This was, I think, no, not $1.99. I thought this was a super short print. It's not. I did pull a 1 of 1. Unfortunately, it's not autographed. It's Landon Marceau. Yeah, it'd been sweet if this was autographed, but what you gonna do? Here's a super short print 3 out of 5 Nick Meyer green on-card autograph. Raynel Delgado, Still Walker, he's on his way up. Well, his card values are. Here's the only one of these I've pulled. Kyle Tucker alumni signatures. The only problem is, I don't know if you can see this. It was like that out of the pack. Just a little bit of white peeling there. Nothing I could really do about it. Here's the best patch. Look at that. Cooper Kinney. That patch is incredibly sweet. This was numbered out of 11. This card is just absolutely gorgeous. Here's an Evan White patch, numbered out of 25. Vogelmuth patch, 3-color patch. Again, super short print, $2.25. Tristan Casas, this is the only bat piece I got. Red ink bat to $49. CJ Abrams, black gold to $39. Bobby Witt Jr. This is not super short print, but this is the most valuable card of the lot. It's booking around $40, I think, right now. Numbered out of $1.99. David Peterson silhouettes autograph, and a Logan Forsythe black gold with a nice red jersey piece, number 239. And that is it. So a 101, numbered out of 5, a couple of super short prints, good looking patches. Overall, for 7 boxes, I was pretty happy. I usually count to see if I got any bonus hits. I actually didn't do that this time. I wished I had in hindsight, but oh well. Anyways, that's it for 7 boxes of 2018 USA Baseball Stars and Stripes.